Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Thank you for clicking on the YouTube video, and I will take only 3 minute times from you to show you a cool feature how you can make a good YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube account. Let me show you first what is thumbnail. Okay, so if you go to YouTube, you will see a lot of things like the poster. So this is called the thumbnail. Now I will show you how you can make easily any thumbnail within very short time. I am using the website called the Canva. So go to the Canva. I am using the premium account. Let me show you. You can get all the premium things in premium account, and you can download any video. So I am planning to make a YouTube intro. Okay, so I am searching here. YouTube channel art, sorry, YouTube thumbnail. You can make any things like channel art or YouTube logo, anything you want to make. You can use the Canva because this is really cool things. You don't need to know the graphic design skill. It will give you a good way. If you have a cooking site or if you have money making tutorial, you can use this. Let me show you how I am doing this, how to make YouTube thumbnail. It's really big. I can decrease the size 80. Thumbnail. Easy to thumbnail. Okay, it's a catchy thumbnail. In a minute. Okay, so this is done. It's really looking good. I want to download this video, this format as PNG, and clicking download so it's done. So in this way you can make easily YouTube thumbnail. Thanks for my video. Thanks for watching my video, and hope you will click the subscribe and bell icon so that you will get the next update easily.